The I-X Back Volton is a motorized exoskeleton designed for industrial use. It supports the thighs and lower back to reduce biomechanical strain during lifting tasks. Developed by Ottobock and SuitX and released in 2025. It weighs about 4.8 kilograms and provides up to 17 kilograms of lifting assistance. Its battery operates for 8 to 10 hours. The device is not FDA approved because it is intended for industrial rather than medical applications. The exoskeleton reduces compression forces on the lumbar spine by redistributing external loads through the pelvis and thighs. This redistribution is expressed by the equation spinal load equals external load minus exoskeleton support. Torque on the lumbar spine is also lowered as the exoskeleton applies counter torque through the hip and thigh modules. Following the relationship, tau equals radius times force. This reduces shear forces during bending and lifting. Mechanical work, defined as force multiplied by distance, is reduced by the system's actuators, which provide up to 17 kilograms of lifting relief. Sensors within the device measure motion and load through inertial measurement units and force detectors. These signals are processed by an onboard control algorithm that commands the actuators, creating a loop that adapts assistance in real time to match user movement. The device stabilizes trunk posture and maintains ergonomic alignment, lowering discompression and shear forces during prolonged activity. In the workplace, this reduces fatigue accumulation, decreases musculoskeletal loading, and supports endurance during repetitive lifting cycles. The exoskeleton has limitations, including battery dependence of 8 to 10 hours, task specificity optimized for lifting and bending, and the requirement of proper adjustment for biomechanical efficiency. Compared to the I-X Back Air, the Volton provides powered assistance, while the Air relies on a passive spring system. The Volton offers up to 17 kilograms of relief, while the Air provides up to 15 kilograms. The Volton weighs 4.8 kilograms, whereas the Air weighs under 3 kilograms. Neither device is FDA approved because both are classified for industrial applications. The I-X Back Volton integrates wearable robotics and biomechanics to redistribute load, reduce torque, and support posture, demonstrating the application of engineering principles to reduce spinal stress in industrial lifting environments.